There we have all 6 attached. And what we're going to do to put it in the other side, just put it on there very roughly. Turn it over. Now you can't just lay it down, this will fall off. You have to just pinch it in place until you can see the threads through on any one of them. It doesn't particularly matter. I like using the middle ones. And screwdriver actually helps for this part. And just get it in there roughly. Don't try and get it all the way down. Go for the second one. And once you have 2, the process becomes a little easier. You can put it down all the way if you want to. Not super tight. And you can actually let it down and do the remaining 4 because they're pretty easy at this point.